Good morning. In this video, I will guide you how you can set up your document series reset type. Let's go to our settings module for this. In your settings module on your right hand side in basic option, you will see an option of document number format. Please click on this. Now, please check here. I have already added few of the document series and its reset type. So how exactly reset type work and how it will be helpful to you. So on every financial year or calendar year, if you wish to change the document series number, reset the document series number, like on every month or every calendar year, document number should again reset it to 0001. So system can do that. How? Let me show you. Click on this add new series. So it will ask you to add a new document series. You need to put in the prefix PO, then after slash. Now you need to click on show custom format. Please go below. Here we have provided all the codes through which you can set it up. So I wish to put financial year P1 here. What I will do, I will put financial year P1, then after I will put dash. Now coming to next financial year P2. I will copy it and paste it. Now this particular document format will be set according to financial year. Here it will ask you an option to auto reset duration. Once you will click on this, it will ask you to select financial year. You can select it automatically. So if I have entered calendar year here, it should have asked me for calendar year. So this is how you can set it up according to your requirement. I hope it helped you out. Have a good day ahead.